me a little about the car.
So it's a 1989 Lamborghini Countach. It's called an anniversary model. I believe they built about 650 of these cars.
Oh wow, you can feel the power, look at that.
It's there. I mean, it's amazingly torquey. It moves. So this particular one has, I mean, almost no miles. A lot of these cars have really low miles, and for obvious reason, they're not really the easiest thing to use. They're great on a track or in a straight line, and it's just kind of a fantastic thing to be in and use, but it's, as far as a car goes, it's just very impractical.
The inside seems a little bit plain too. It seems like a race car would be.
Yeah, it's kind of focused around the driving experience. The shifter is, very close to the steering wheel.
And the steering real tight on it.
The steering's not so bad. It's light, especially at speed. It's usable. The clutch is a little heavy, and that's typical of a lot of extreme Italian sports cars. The brakes work well. They work better when they get hot, but of course you've got to be going fast to get them hot enough to work in the way that you want them to.
How's the shifting? Does it seem to go into gear pretty easily?
So the shifting is excellent. On these cars, it's amazing. The gated shifter provides an incredible visceral experience. You always know what gear you're grabbing, and it makes this beautiful click noise when you use it. And it's just kind of the iconic thing in an Italian sports car to have a gated shifter. It's an amazing machine.
Well, like you said, it's a machine. It's not really a functional car. This is a car that somebody had to drive it fast, drive it in a straight line.
Exactly. This is the very last thing you need.
Yeah. But that's what this car screams. It screams excess, fun, excitement, driving fast. Give it some gas. Go ahead. There you go.